Hello Amazon. So this is the SABRENT 3.5 inch disk cover. You can see that my 8 terabyte disk is there, and actually it can even support up to 20 terabyte. There's this cable that comes to the laptop, and then there's this other cable that connects to the power supply, and it really works very well. The item is very good. The speed is around 200 megabytes per second, and I do like this, and then press this button, and you can see that the light is there to show you that the item is turned on. And then when I connect, you can see that the light starts to pop in. So I love the item. It is serving very well to me. I recommend the seller.
Plugs in there. This is the old hard drive. Slide it in. You got screws here if you want to screw it in. Otherwise, that's it.
So WD drive in the SABRENT lay flat enclosure. Beeps on. This is an Asus ROG laptop. And you can see eject SABRENT, so it recognizes that. And then I get that little buzz sound that just happened and the beeping.
Yeah, I'm gonna start working on this, probably using